Hi, I'm Miss Fitzgerald, and I am the long-term gifted and enrichment sub for Sarah Skelton this year, and I am super excited to be a member of the Iroquois family. A little about me: I just graduated from Grove City College in May, where I was also a member of the varsity volleyball team and a resident assistant on the halls. I grew up here in Erie, so I'm super excited to get back and serve the community. As far as classroom expectations go for the year, kids are obviously going to be expected to follow a lot of our new rules with sanitizing, hand washing, masks, social distancing, and everything, which I know you will hear a lot about. And things are going to look a little bit different, and we're going to look a little bit different, but regardless, I am still so excited to get to know everyone and get back in the classroom. Just so excited to meet everyone. So I'm going to give you a quick tour. My camera won't flip around, so I will show you a little bit of our classroom to get you an idea of how we're handling things. So for my room, I have 4 long tables that I separated with some tape, and each student will have a desk assigned to them. And they will only use that desk, and it will be wiped in between before another student uses it. Everyone will have their own materials, and we will make sure that we enforce all the social distancing rules, and students will be allowed mask breaks periodically. We will also have some fun things like some daily prompts for me to get to know them. I'm super excited to see everyone's faces, masks and all, and we'll have a wonder wall for asking questions and inquiry. And we still have all the Lego tables and everything else. I'm excited to hear what some of their favorite things were and make sure that I implement them as well, and also get some new ideas from the kids. So I am super excited to meet everyone and know that we're all in this together. Thanks.